Hello everyone, welcome to Guidely. This is Aditya. So there is a long discussion question around what to prepare in general awareness for your OICL AU means examination. So in this short video, I am going to give you the complete detail. क्या क्या टॉपिक्स आपको पढ़ लेने हैं, किन एरियाज पर ज्यादा फोकस रखना है, हाउ मच वी नीड टू कवर इन द इंश्योरेंस अवेयरनेस विच इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट डाउट फॉर एवरीवन, उसके बारे में भी इन्फॉर्म कर दूंगा. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, इन योर मेंस एग्जामिनेशन फॉर द जनरलिस्ट यू आर गोइंग टू गेट 40 क्वेश्चन, 40 marks and 20-minute time is going to be. 20-minute time means the level of question are not going to be very high. बहुत ज्यादा difficult questions नहीं होंगे. You will not going to get more than 2 to 3 statement based question. Statement 1 to 3. Maximum 2 to 3. Otherwise 0 also. Possibility है कि आपको एक भी statement based question देखने के लिए ना मिले. Consider which of the following statement is are correct. Direct question होंगे that which of the following person has been appointed on this position, where this summit was conducted, like this type of question you are going to get. तो level होगा आपका easy, not very difficult. This is the point number 1 for the generalist. Now coming to the specialist. So in a specialist you have only 25 questions, 25 marks and 10 minutes of time. 10 minutes of time. So again, it is going to be very easy, not very difficult. डिफिकल्ट नहीं होंगे, काफी इजी क्वेश्चंस होंगे. इवन इफ यू विल बी फोकसिंग ओनली ऑन द टू एरिया, इंश्योरेंस नॉलेज, दैट इज इंश्योरेंस अवेयरनेस अलॉन्ग विद द करंट अफेयर्स, दैट इज ऑल्सो न्यूज ऑफ नेशनल इंपॉर्टेंस, योर स्पेशलिस्ट जीए विल बी डन. दो एरियाज पर आप फोकस कर लेना, दैट विल बी इनफ. नाउ इन द इंश्योरेंस अवेयरनेस पार्ट आई एम गोइंग टू गिव यू द डिटेल अबाउट विच आर द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट एरिया. गाइज, ऑलवेज मोस्ट ऑफ द क्वेश्चंस आर फ्रॉम द रीसेंट अपडेट फ्रॉम द इंश्योरेंस इंडस्ट्री. So recently we have seen the FDI. आपने अभी देखा होगा FDI in the insurance sector became 100%. तो 100% FDI हो गया recently, right? So one question we can expect on this. एक question इसके ऊपर expect कर सकते हो आप properly. Second, because we are going for the examination of OICL, one or two, maximum two question you can expect based on the OICL. That can be coming from recent policy of OICL or history of OICL or current directors of OICL. Any one or two news you can expect from the OICL. But maximum question will be from this area. सबसे ज्यादा question आपको मिलेंगे इस एरिया से. IRDAI in news. IRDAI in news in the last 6 month. पिछले 6 महीने में IRDAI के न्यूज जो हैं वहां से आपको मैक्सिमम क्वेश्चन देखने के लिए मिलेंगे. So if you are able to cover the Insurance Regulatory Development Authority of India along with the insurance sector news of last 6 months, your maximum question will be from that area. ठीक है? The same thing, insurance companies in news. अच्छा, एक दो आपके पास इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक्स हैं that you need to cover, like principle of insurance. One or two question you can expect. One question in the written you can expect from this topic. In the interview there can be a detailed discussion on the principle of insurance. तो अगर मैं रेटिंग दूं, so this is going to be your first topic, most important. Second topic हो गया आपके पास recent update in the insurance. Third topic हो गया आपके पास OICL. फोर्थ टॉपिक हो गया आपके पास, फोर्थ टॉपिक हो गया आपके पास प्रिंसिपल्स ऑफ इंश्योरेंस. दीज आर द मेजर 4 टॉपिक इन द इंश्योरेंस एरिया यू कैन कवर. आफ्टर दैट रिगार्डिंग IRDAI if you are able to cover, and sixth topic is the schemes of government of India like फसल बीमा योजना, प्रधानमंत्री सुरक्षा बीमा योजना, जीवन ज्योति बीमा योजना, अटल पेंशन योजना. These type of scheme you can cover. One important point guys, our OICL AO means bundle PDF course is available on the Guidely. In this particular course, you will be able to cover the current affairs from January 2026 till January 2025 till January 2026. Insurance current affairs and IRDAI in news, along with the insurance static knowledge. So insurance का static knowledge with the current affairs news, everything will be available in this particular course. You can check the details. I'll show you the details of this particular course in the last also. Now your exam is scheduled on 28th of February as of now. अभी तक जब मैं वीडियो बना रहा हूं आपका डेट यही है 28th of February. So most important months की अगर हम बात करें in the current affairs and the topics as well, most important topic is going to be news of national importance, news of international importance. ये दो टॉपिक को पकड़ कर रखना. न्यूज ऑफ नेशनल इंपॉर्टेंस, न्यूज ऑफ इंटरनेशनल इंपॉर्टेंस. न्यूज ऑफ नेशनल इंपॉर्टेंस मींस Shanti bill was presented in the parliament, union budget announced recently, Republic Day celebrated recently. These are the news of national importance. There is a change in the Manrega scheme, news of national importance. तो ये आपको कवर करना है किन मंथ्स का. टॉप प्रायोरिटी होगा अक्टूबर, November, December. These 3 months are the most important months. After that, January 2026 also you need to cover. February, if you will cover 1st to 10th Feb, 1st to 15th Feb is fine. These 4 months are going to be most important, that is October, November, December, January. After that, you can revise the MCQs of September as well. If you don't have time for September, you can skip. Otherwise, October to January at least you have to cover properly. दो most important topic होंगे आपके पास. एक होगा news of national importance, second one will be news of international importance. मैंने यहां भी लिखा हुआ है news of national importance, news of international importance, union budget which is announced recently. You will get the monetary policy update also in the month of February. 3 से 5 फेब में आपके monetary policy announce होने वाले हैं. So MPC Feb 2026 ये भी आपका important होगा. MPC in the month of Feb 2026. Then after that, government scheme in the last, banking and financial news. Again, I am repeating, most important two topics are news of national and international importance. What is the news of international importance? India recently signed agreement with which country? What type of agreement signed by India with other different nation? Defense agreement India have done with which nation recently? इस तरीके के water related treaty India have signed with which country? तो ये होगा आपके पास. India will always be common. So this type of news will be news of international importance. Budget अच्छे से cover करिए. Economic survey related questions will be negligible. So if you have time and you need to decide between economic survey and budget, my suggestion, go for the budget. Budget पर जाओ. Fiscal deficit, revenue deficit, important schemes which are announced by the government, इसको आप detail में cover करो. In the last, if you get time, cover the international organization and their allocations as well. What are the recent loan provided by World Bank to India, ADB to India, वो वाले topic को आप last में cover कर लेना. 1 or 2 question you can expect from this area as well. तो ये आपके पास major topics हो गए जो मैंने आपको बताया. न्यूज ऑफ नेशनल इंटरनेशनल इंपॉर्टेंस. लास्ट में आप कवर करो समिट, बिजनेस न्यूज, स्पोर्ट्स न्यूज, स्टेट इन न्यूज. दिस विल बी द लास्ट प्रेफरेंस व्हेन यू विल बी एबल टू कंप्लीट द इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक न्यूज ऑफ नेशनल इंटरनेशनल इंपॉर्टेंस. उसके बाद इन टॉपिक्स पर आना. ऑल्दो आई वुड सजेस्ट यू टू बी ऑन द सेफर साइड. लास्ट 4 months एटलीस्ट यू नीड टू डू प्रॉपरली. अक्टूबर, नवंबर, दिसंबर, जनवरी, बार बार बोल रहा हूं, अक्टूबर, नवंबर, दिसंबर, जनवरी, ये 4 months का करंट अफेयर्स कवर करो. मैक्सिमम क्वेश्चंस आर गोइंग टू बी फ्रॉम द करंट अफेयर्स. These are the topics which will be important more for the interview. So if you want, you can start preparation from now onwards. The day you feel that I am prepared for the written exam, now I need to focus on my interview also. So interview में आपको इन topics के ऊपर ज्यादा क्वेश्चन मिलेंगे. Although I will make a video separately for the interview preparation. If you want to cover completely everything with the support of one package, so your OICL AO bundle PDF course is available. The duration is 15 days. You will be able to complete the course in 15 days. Our descriptive test is also available on the Guidely. So इसमें आपका descriptive भी है मेंस में, वो भी आप Guidely के सपोर्ट से प्रिपेयर कर सकते हैं. And if you want to prepare completely for all your upcoming examination, including OICL mains, one stop solution for your GA will be Hustle 3.0 batch. Already live. Insurance awareness videos are already there. Insurance current affairs videos are already there. Till January 2026 it is updated. तो आप इस बैच पर जा सकते हैं. All the best from my side. I hope the short simple strategy is fine for you. मैंने बता दिया which area is important for written, which area is important for interview. You can get the PDF with the support of my Telegram group also. GA Genius by Aditya sir over the Telegram you can search. Thank you for watching the video. Take care. Jai Hind. All the best.